Stocks are consolidating, and the market's failure to recapture recent highs is not a good sign. Gold and the US dollar are both up slightly, a rare combination that tells us investors are getting defensive. Here are the 5 things to watch this week. Number 1, the US government shutdown is about to enter its longest stretch ever, and it's starting to bite, with furloughed workers and rising frustration in Washington. The key question is, will it end soon? Could it end this week? There are also regional elections on Tuesday that could offer a signal. If the political winds shift, we might finally see progress, but right now, no one's blinking. Number 2, while we won't get the non-farm payrolls report, which is normally due this Friday, we will still get a temperature check through private sector payrolls, with ADP, the private sector gauge. A wave of layoffs could be an early sign of job market problems. We also have ISM services and ISM manufacturing sector reports. These are very important measures of how the U.S. economy is holding up, if we're actually seeing U.S. growth cooling or holding. Number 3, this is also the final week of big earnings season for the U.S. Corporate America is still holding up, but guidance has started to soften, especially from companies tied to consumers and housing. Number 4, after the Fed's hawkish cut, policymakers are finally out of their blackout period. Powell told us there were strong mixed opinions, and we'll get to hear from many of them this week. Their speeches could offer insight into whether or not another rate cut is on the table. Number 5, globally it's a busy week as well, with central bank rate decisions in the UK and Australia. The Bank of England and the Reserve Bank of Australia are not expected to cut, but traders are watching them closely, especially the RBA, to see if weaker labor market activity could push them to be dovish. And here's the curveball. On Wednesday, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear a case that could decide the future of Trump-era tariffs and whether billions of potential refunds could go back to American companies. It's a huge story for global trade, but I actually don't think we're going to get a final decision for months. Bottom line, markets are at a crossroads. Gold and dollar are flashing caution. Stocks are struggling again. Momentum and politics could become the next big market driver. I'm Kathy Lien with BKTraders. Follow, subscribe for real-time updates to keep you ahead of the next move. And if you're interested in trading, check out the links in my description for my favorite prop firms and brokers and their best offers and deals.